In this video I'm going to show you how to refill the ink cartridges of your Epson XP5200 printer. We can go to the printer control panel and check the ink status first. Clearly we can see there is a warning sign, so select that drop icon and press OK. It will display which ink is low, like C, M, Y. So 3 inks are low. If you click on the close, we can see the result. Almost all the inks needs to be refilled or replaced. So let's do the refilling. Now go back. So first we have to unlock the print head. So give a copy command as soon as the printer starts to copy, or whenever you hear the sound that print head is moving, we will just unplug the power cable. We just unplugged it right now, and we can just lift this section. Here are our ink cartridges. So I'm just going to take all of them out. If you look at the bottom of the ink cartridges, that's the place where the ink should show up. Once they are filled up, they won't be that much clear. So remove all the 4 ink cartridges. Next step is to make hole to fill the ink. For example, in these ink cartridges, if you look at this side where everything is written, you will see a square like structure that is just between these writings. So that is here. So that's the square here. If you will feel that, we have to make a hole on the top of this section. I'm just going to use a hot iron solder, and you can also use a screwdriver just to make a small hole. That's it. So just repeat it for all the 4 ink cartridges, just here where the square like structure is, just in the parallel. That's the last one. Now I'm going to refill the ink cartridges, and also I'm just going to use the hot glue gun, or you can just use the hot glue stick just to seal the top of the cartridges. So I'll just switch it on just to make sure it is ready. So let's fill the ink. Let's start with the yellow. You can fill at least 5 ml. You can do more, but I recommend you to do at least 5, and you can go up to the 7 to 8 mLs. Just place it here and just fill it. Leave it standing. Let's do the magenta. Easy to fill, just takes a second. Next is this cyan color, blue. Last is our black color. So we have refilled all the 4 ink cartridges. Next step is to seal the top of the ink cartridge. So I'm just going to seal from one by one, just to remove anything on the top. Sealing is really easy. You just have to place some hot glue on the top just to make sure the ink does not come out. Just do it for all the 4 ink cartridges. So we just refilled it. Next step is to circulate the ink. We are going to use 10 ml to 20 ml syringe. What you have to do is you have to push it in. Push it in and air. So that means your ink cartridge is about to work. So we just finished the refilling and we have sealed all the ink cartridges. Now you have to use the chip resetter so that you can reset the ink cartridges. Once you do the resetting, now we have to install the ink cartridges in the printer. So let's start with the black. Place it here and push it down straight. It will lock. So just do it for all the 4 ink cartridges. Now close the ink chamber. Plug in the power cable. Wait for the printer to start. So the paper will come out because we just unplugged it while we were doing the copy. So your printer should be ready and now we can start using it for the copy. It may give you the error like printer was turned off improperly. You can just dismiss it once and then we can resume our printing. So this way we can refill the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.